Hello everyone, this is Shamail over here at Metropolis, and today I'm bringing you a lean improvement that we implemented on our project with the help of one of our subcontractors. So to give you a bit of background first, our project is a tall high-rise condo building that has a whole lot of residential units, and with all those residential units we have a lot of bathrooms and a lot of sinks. Now the way we mount these sinks is that we have something we called a lavatory carrier, which, as you can see in the picture here, is basically two steel tubes that are bolted to the concrete deck with a steel plate on the front of them, to which the sink will then mount. Now the challenge with this is that it is bolted directly to the deck. Now all our decks are PT decks, which means that in addition to all the rebar, there is a whole bunch of PT cable running through them, as you can see in the picture here in blue. The way we usually handle coring or bolting to our PT decks is that we scan the area or x-ray it, and we show where all the rebar and everything is and make sure we're not hitting any PT before we are allowed to go ahead and core or bolt. Our subcontractor used something that they called carrier leave outs, which you can see in the picture here. They're basically just 8-inch PVC tube that's cut in pieces, and these leave outs ensure that no PT or rebar is placed in the area where our lav carriers are going to be bolted, as you can see in this picture here. So with this lean improvement, we did a lot of savings. So let's do a quick math on how much savings we did. So we have about 1,188 lavatory sinks. And then if we scan each area, the cost is about $115 for each area, and that turns out to be about $136,000. Plus, if there is PT in the area, then we would have to redo our lavatory carriers in some way, and then our fix cost us about 2 hours of detailer time to make sure they are placed correctly at $150 an hour, and then 2 hours of a journeyman's time to install and then take out the lavatory leave outs, carrier leave outs, for every floor, which is about 51 floors of residential units at about $98 an hour, which turns out to be about $10,000. So our lean improvement gave us about a rough savings of $126,000, which is quite substantial. Now with this improvement, we hit several lean criteria. First and foremost, we hit safety, because that we ensured that we are not drilling into the deck without knowing what's there, and making sure we do not hit PT cable. And obviously quality. Our lavatory sinks will be very sturdy and will not move easily. And then obviously we save time, but by not having to scan each and every location. And then obviously, as we saw with the quick math, it was quite cost effective as well. So if you have any questions, please send me an email or give me a call, and I'd love to go over it some more with you.